Okay, so the cop PR lady, that's really all she is, said that she will make the decision at the last minute as to how close us in media can get with our cameras and whatnot. If we behave and stay together, we can get closer. If we're not, you're going to make us stand farther away. So that's the latest word about our
Well, I just
media
went from not willing to be arrested, period, to maybe willing to be arrested because I'm going to get a good angle and they can arrest me if they like.
That's kind of what I told her too. I'm like, well, I'm probably going to get as close as I can get. And then she kind of like pretended like she was playing with her phone so she wouldn't have to answer me anymore. And I'm like, no, I can see your phone. The shit's locked. Like, what are you doing? Like, it's an iPhone. It's not hard to figure out what's going on when you have the screen on. But,
all right.
It's not her job to work with me, I suppose, is it? Just to make me feel like they are until they arrest me.
Well, exactly. I mean, that's what PR is about. It's about the manufacture of consent. I mean, there's a book I read years ago by an author by the name of Noam Chomsky of that title, and the book changed my life, honestly. I mean, when I was a teenager, I read that book, and I'm like, wow. So that's what TV and newsprint and all that other stuff is all about.
TV and newsprint.
Yes, yes.
It's all medium. Forms of control, you know.
Sure.
That's all it is. Keep people complacent. Give them something to be pissed about that's not a big enough deal for them to get off the couch, but, you know, keep them upset about something, you know.
Right. There's divide and conquer techniques employed by the mainstream media. I mean, if you read about the Hegelian dialectic, you know, problem, reaction, solution, or, you know, thesis, antithesis, and synthesis, you know, it's a technique that's older than dirt to provide people football issues. You know, like some people want to argue whether or not a woman can get an abortion, some people want to argue about gay marriage, but it's all about divide and conquer. I mean, mainstream media is all about
elections and shit.
Sure, it's about the manufacture of various consents and then watching us fight each other. There's one thing that I find invigorating. That's in our movement, we have a polycentric group. We have anarchists, Christians, Republicans. I mean, the system has a hard time pinning us into one little group and pitting us against each other. And I find that, well, quite frankly, fucking amazing.
I think it's our most powerful weapon, honestly.
Seriously, is our diversity. The fact that we love our anarchists and our socialists and our Ron Paul supporters.
Right. But yeah, I mean, that's what it's about, right? At this point, it's we're all pretty universally pissed off, and until we start dividing ourselves up, which is what they're trying to get us to do right now.
Sure.
They can't touch us, really. I mean, we could piss and moan and do all kinds of stuff, and you know, the more we turn on each other, the more they're just gonna sit back and let it happen. Then when we get all unified, we get all purposeful. That's when they start
arresting folks,
showing up to arrest folks.
Sure, thanks, man.
Yeah.
We stand in solidarity.
We stand in solidarity.
Not only with our brothers and sisters here,
but our brothers and sisters
all across the world, to those fighting in Egypt,
for a
democratic society,
the
right to live,
to eat,
to have a warm place to sleep,
to have a warm place to sleep.
We stand in solidarity with them.
We stand in solidarity with them.
To those in Greece, who are fighting there,
for
a more democratic society,
for
the right,
to eat,
to have a warm place to sleep,
to have a warm place to sleep,
to have self-determination,